Hello YouTubers, my name is Leon from How to Webmaster, and today I will discuss about Flippa scams. This is part 2. Flippa is a marketplace to buy and sell websites. Anyhow, let's look at some of the most active auctions at Flippa. So this means these are the auctions that gets the most views, comments, bids. So let's check it out. Here it is. These are the most active listings, and some of them are legit businesses and sites, and quite a few are scammy. So here's one of them. This is an info product website, fiverrcashmonster.info. It's a ready-made website, perfect for newcomers. Reserve is $1, so basically no reserve. It's making $640 a month net profit with no reserve, and a buy it now of $1,750, and it claimed to have been started a few months back. So right now is August 5th, and they started making profit since February. So pretty much right from the birth of this website, they already made money. So about 6 months ago. And here's some monthly financials. So they're making about $600 more or less a month, and the marketing cost is $300 flat rate every month. So that's already a little fishy. What is this marketing cost that's bringing in so much profit? And right here he revealed his secrets. He pays an email marketer, so one email marketer to drive traffic to the site. It costs $300 per month, and he will share the details of this secret email marketer to the new owner. So that's already red flag for sure, 100%. So this email marketer is charging $300 a month to make $600-700 a month. How is it growing from $760 with a flat rate every single month? Seems like it's increasing. So total sales $765, and now it's almost $1,144. Same flat rate, and seems to be increasing. And what happens if this email marketer dies or no longer offers this secret service? Then your sales goes down the drain. You make zero. God willing, he continues to live a happy, healthy life to continue this service that you're gonna pay him $300 a month to this email marketer to make you rich. And this is the kind of secret nobody wants to reveal. If you have a secret source and you're paying $300 to this email marketer and it's making you a great return, you're not gonna reveal it to anybody. And plus, this guy might have too many offers and he can't take you on, or his list gets saturated, and of course if he no longer offers his service, then you're screwed. Let's check out the site real quick. This is a private label rights ebook, PLR. It is rebranded. It cost him maybe $5 to buy, $10 to buy. Rebrand this, and you can tell that it is rebranded simply by just copying a phrase. Let's copy this and simply paste in the phrase, and you can see here there's already a bunch of other copycats. So just let me open a few of these links to show you guys. So here is the exact phrase. So this is the ebook that was a private label rights. And here's another one from another seller. So you do not have exclusive rights to this ebook. Hundreds and thousands of other people have the same exact rights as you. So you don't have a unique ebook that you're selling. So here's a guy offering the same exact content right here at Udemy, and it's free. Actually, you can buy it for free. And here's another one, how to make money on Fiverr, and it's offered by another seller. And here's another example right there for $6. And this guy is claiming he's selling this Fiverr Cash Monster. Let's check out the screenshot for $37 a piece. And this is the PayPal screenshot. And I don't know if it's real or not, but it looks kind of fake. I never seen this kind of screenshot before with the plus 37 or plus money in this kind of color and the plus sign. So here's a real PayPal screenshot from my own account, and as you can see, it has the date, type of payment, name, payment completed, gross, the fee, and the net. So I'm not sure if this is real or not, but it looks fake. I mean, this could be a tablet screenshot or phone or something that I'm not used to seeing. But anyways, $37 is a ridiculous high price for this ebook, and he's giving it away $1,750 buy it now to make $600 a month, hands-free. All you have to do is pay his secret email marketer $300 a month and pray and hope that this email marketer lives to be 100 plus, so you can continue to make this $600-700 a month forever until he dies. So that's what you're getting. Let's check out another example. So it's by the same seller. He seems to be pretty popular here. His auctions are showing up in the most active listings for several of his products. He seems to be doing a lot of these pump and dump type of scams. So this is a very similar info product. It's an ebook with a cheap domain .info, which you can buy for 99 cents, and the PLR private label rights ebook you can get for $4 or even free, and then rebrand them and then pump them back here, put a fake screenshot, and then reveal your traffic source as some secret email marketer. So he's doing the same drill here. Pays an email marketer $300 a month, and similar situation with the screenshot. This one costs $49, upsell $69, and looks like the upsell is crazy converting, high converting. 49's front end, upsell $69, so he has a very high converting funnel. This guy must be some kind of master apparently, and he has 0 traffic screenshots. And that's one thing I forgot to mention. He doesn't show any traffic screenshots or conversion rates, upsells, conversion rates, nothing. I have no idea why this guy is flourishing on Flippa. 80 transaction, $35,000 almost, 100% positive feedback. And like I said before, with these scam sellers, once they dump a website on the new buyer, they may be kind enough to continue sending some pay-per-click traffic to the sold properties for maybe a week or a month, so that they can receive the good feedbacks. And then after that, they cut off the traffic, and the new buyer is stuck with a garbage website that isn't worth anything. Let's check out this private label rebranded, and I'm sure it is private label. So there it is, and this exact phrase is seen on here, and idplr.com is a very popular PLR marketplace. And here it is, ClickBank marketing secrets. So this guy didn't even bother to rebrand the product. It's the exact same name, as you can see here, exact same name. And you can get this, and usually you can get these POR for very cheap, $10, or if you join a monthly membership for $10, you get thousands of POR products for free. So there you go, another scam. Still very disappointed in seeing so many scammers flourishing on Flippa. So let's check out this one. So it's another seller, 88 transactions, $70,000. Buy it now, $1,300, making $890 a month net profit. Right away, you can already tell it's a scam. If you're making $900 a month, why would you sell it for almost 1 month's price? It's stupid. No reserve auction, and here again, lack of traffic stats, conversion stats. At least this time the PayPal screenshot looks more real, but again, these could be fake easily. So he used free marketing technique to drive cost effective, or more cost effective than paid advertising. These are people who have already expressed interest in buying your service. That doesn't even make sense. So free marketing technique that are targeted to people who have already expressed interest in buying your services. So usually that's paid marketing, and he spends 6 to 8 hours per week. It's not real, folks. Alright, last one for the day. It's a e-commerce website, made $9,000 in past 6 months, which is actually almost the site age. 7 months, net profit $600. And again, the seller 100% feedback, $20,000. Buy it now, extremely low. Another red flag as a sign of scam. And let's see some traffic stats. So apparently no traffic data. So he used free traffic from social media with 2,000 followers, and he doesn't tell you where the followers are from or what social media accounts from. And then down here, the referral part of the traffic is coming from paid ads through ad networks. Again, very vague, scammy BS details. What's the main source of traffic? And apparently he doesn't have any traffic stats, conversion stats, nothing serious. And he has so anyone that attaches a domain name value to a 7-month-old crappy domain name is a sign of a scam. The seller is trying to inflate the value of the website. So right here, domain appraisal, probably an automated domain appraisal system, $980. That's just to wow the potential buyer, mostly newbies that don't know the true value of a domain name. So this domain is worth pretty much zero. He bought it 7 months ago. It's not even a premium domain or keyword domain. But yep, that is a sign of a scammer if he's attaching this fake domain appraisal certificate that's worthless. Anyways, this guy does know how to sell. 100% positive feedback. Another scammer flourishing on the Flippa marketplace. So it's not all Flippa's fault, but it's definitely damaging their reputation over time and time again. I hope this gives you some ideas on how to potentially check for scammy looking websites and properties for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below this video. If you like this video and want to see more like this, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my How to Webmaster channel for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and reviews. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.